to school. My friend Angels told me I had Little Dick's eyes. So I want you guys to comment down below. Do I have Little Dick's eyes? Oh yeah, whoever comment down below first gets to take off my glasses. I will take off my glasses. The first one that comments. Let me put on my hat before I even do this. Well, get that hair in there. Comment down below, guys. Do you have Little Dick's eyes?